Here is how you can make an extra 50 to 200,000 naira weekly running Facebook and Instagram ads for people and also delivering services that are similar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is BizLift, and this YouTube channel basically talks about Facebook ads, Instagram ads. We talk about businesses and how they can leverage Facebook and Instagram ads to grow their business and improve their sales, right? If you're just joining this YouTube channel, you're just watching this YouTube channel for the very first time, thank you so much for coming, and do remember to leave a subscribe and also a like. Thank you so much. I would really appreciate that. Now, if you're an existing subscriber, you've seen my video or you're following us already, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. Now, this video, I'm going to be sharing a lot of information about how you can make an extra income or make money from just running Facebook and Instagram ads for people and doing services that are related to that. So I'm going to be breaking it down for you. Now, I'm not sharing this just because I want to get the clicks. No, I'm sharing this because I know that there are a lot of people that will need this information, and there will be a lot of people that this information is going to really help them and change exactly how they live their lives, right? A lot is happening in Nigeria and people need to make extra cash, right? So get your pens, your papers, or whatever it is you're going to be using to write down. I'm going to be sharing everything you need to know about how you can make money from Facebook and Instagram ads, right? What I currently do is I run ads for people, right? I run ads for businesses, for organizations, individuals. I run ads for people, and I usually would charge anything between 10,000 to 15,000 naira as my own charge, aside from the ad budget. So whether I'm running a week adverts for you, if it's going to be more than a week, then we're going to be multiplying that by 2 or by the number of weeks. So for 1 week, I charge about 10 to 15,000 naira for one client that I run ads for. Now, you need to understand that you must master this platform and you must be able to deliver results to these people. So it's not just only about collecting their money and not giving them the result. You have to learn how it works first, right? So for those who would be interested in learning how this works, I have an academy that is called the Ads Academy, where you will learn how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. If you're interested in that, you can leave a comment and I'll be responding to you. So let's get back to what we were talking about, right? Now, easily you can charge anything between 5 to 15,000 naira for running a 1 week advert for somebody, whether for a business or a company or anybody. Now, just multiply that by you doing this for just 5 people every week, right? So in a week, say you do this for 5 people, you can multiply 10,000 by 5. That's like 50,000 naira already that you're making on running adverts for just 5 people, right? That's not all that you can do. There are other things that you can do with Facebook and Instagram ads. Now, the other thing you can do is that you can help people to just set up their targeting, right? This is very simple to do, and a lot of people would get the results from this. So what you're doing in this kind of service is that you are not running the ads, you're only just helping them to set up their ad targeting and their ad sets. Now, usually, if I'm going to be doing this for a brand, usually I'm going to be charging anything between 20 to 30,000 naira. Now, you must also understand the right targeting for these kind of people. You must understand the right targeting that should be used for these kind of people. And it's very simple. Also, in the Ads Academy, I exposed a lot about targeting and how you can get the targeting. And I even have a document that can help you set targeting for any industry whatsoever that you're trying to run ads for or set targets for, right? So you can just send me a DM or leave a comment and you'll be able to get that document. All right, so let's get back to what we were saying. So if you set targeting for, say, like 3 people weekly, and you charge them, say, 15,000 to 20,000, that's already about 60,000 naira already from just setting up targeting for people, right? That is the second service that you can render with Facebook and Instagram ads. Now, the third service you can render with Facebook and Instagram ads is that you can help people to add funds to their ad account, right? A lot of people have issues with adding funds to their ad account, meaning that the money that is going to be used to run their adverts, a lot of people have issues with adding this money. And if you have a good working debit card, whether it's any card you have, if you have a good debit card, you easily can help people to fund their ad account and charge little based on how much they're funding. Say, for example, somebody is funding between 50,000 and below. You can charge 5,000 naira to fund 50,000 naira and below. Okay, or you can charge 2,000 naira, and if you get like about 3 to 4 people doing this weekly, right, this will be a lot of money for you. Now, I currently do this with one of my siblings currently do this, and it makes anything between about 10 to 15,000 naira weekly, and that's enough to help data and do some other things and live at least, try to be independent and do other things that you want to do. So this really can also help you. Another thing you can do is that there are certain people that have some slight debts on their ad account. They have some slight debts on their ad account. Maybe they are owing money on their ad account. They tried a lot of ways, but they are unable to pay those debts. You can start a service where you're helping people clear these debts, right? All you have to do is to walk into any Nigerian bank, and then you can just open a domiciliary account, and you can get a card, a dollar card, that you can always use to help people to clear these debts. Right? I did this service earlier in the year, and I was making nothing less than, say, about 10,000 to 15,000 naira, depending on how much these persons want to clear. There are people that have quite a lot of debts and you charge them higher, while there are people that have small debts that you can just charge them very low for. So these services, you can do them individually, or you can do a joint of all these services, and you can start something called an agency, right? What I currently do now is an advertising agency where we run ads for people, we resolve account issues, we help people with adding funds to their account, we help people set up targeting. We do quite a lot of things. So you could include some of these things into Facebook and Instagram advertising. So you can include them, or you can add them together and make it, and start your own agency, or you can separate them and just be a master in one of them, just one, and you can make a lot of money from doing this. Another thing you can do is that once you know how to run Facebook and Instagram ads, you can start creating digital products that you can make anything between you can sell each digital product, depending on what you have, whether it's a PDF or a course. If it's a PDF, you can sell PDFs for at least about 1,000 to as high as 30,000 naira, depending on what you have put inside that PDF. Personally, I sold PDFs for like 5,000 naira, and I sold to about 1,000 people, right? I sold my ebook that is called the Target Audience Pack, right? The Target Audience Pack is a compilation of different targets for different industry. I sell it for 5,000 naira, and I've been able to sell it to about 1,000 people. So you can do the math and see how much I made from just that knowledge that I shared with people, right? So you need to look out for some of these things and see which one fits into what you can do. Understand that you must deliver value to people. It's not just only about trying to make money, but you must deliver value for people, or deliver value to people, right? Understand also that the more you deliver value, the more people know you, and the more other people keep referring you, and they want to work with you. All right? I hope I've helped somebody today with this information. Let me know which one you would love to do. You can send me a DM, or you can leave a comment, or you can check for my Instagram at BizLift and send me a DM. Let's talk about how I can help you to get on any of these things, how you can learn, and how you can improve and start making money also for yourself. Thank you so much. If you've enjoyed this video, please share it. Please help me like so that a lot of people can see this video, and also leave a comment if this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.